I think even though the role has changed, it's still about people, whether the people that work in the organisation or the communities that we serve and protect. People are at the heart of it.
Dwi'n falch bod fi wedi bod, mae'n falch o lle dwi heddiw, o lle dwi dod o. Fel dweud, so ti'n sbio i fewn i cefndir fi, cefndir cefn gwlad sgynnu fi. So dwi'n falch o hynna. Dwi'n falch fod gobeithio dwi wedi cario'r iaith Gymraeg trwad i'r swydd yma. Dwi'n falch bod fi wedi cael cyfle i ddod y pobl eraill ymlaen hefyd. Dwi wedi eistedd ar argyn gymaint o promotion boards, cyfweliadau, a dangos i bobl gobeithio os fedra i wneud o, siawns fedrwch chi wneud o lle.
I think as I've grown, I feel like the job has grown with me, and I feel like I've loyalty to the service, and I am proud to wear the uniform.
Having an opportunity to try so many different roles has been great, but obviously the people. There's good times, there's been tough times, but I've had amazing support from an awful lot of people, which has made it a great career for me.
Dwi'n proud iawn o wedi cael y cyfle gyn unigolion yn y gwasanaeth i ddatblygu, a dwi wedi cymryd bob cyfle mwyn wrth gwrs cyrraedd y swydd o fod yn bennaeth yn y stafell rheoli, a wedyn twrn fi ydi o rwan, reid y cyfleoedd yna nôl i bobl sy'n gweithio efo fi.
I think the closeness of coming together with working with a lot of people in the service. We're a family at the end of the day, and this is my second family, and I can't see myself not being without this family in the fire service.
Mae'r staff di bod yn anhygoel o supportive yn yr service, a ffrindiau mawr hefyd dros y blynyddoedd i fi. Mae hynna wedi bod yn dda ofnadwy, knowledgeable, a pasio knowledge yna ymlaen i bobl eraill yn huge.
Without a doubt, you know, to nurture people, bring their skills on, give them confidence. It is very easy in this role, to be honest. It's not like a job outside where you have to pull people along. You know, the people that we have coming into the service, they're very well motivated a lot of the time, and it's, you know, it's a pleasure. It is a pleasure to bring them people on and help them out.
A mae camaraderie mor bwysig yn y fire station. Edrych ar ôl I gilydd, hwnna ydy'r peth mwyaf.
You know, I think because we all work together, it's we all support each other, no matter what roles out there, that it all is like an engine, I suppose, that it all has got to come together, and that's how we do our jobs.